Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is a front bumper paint protection film install on this 2022 Chevy Suburban. These bumpers can be a little bit difficult to work on, just given their shape. And we have this air vent over here where the bumper kind of goes down and then comes up around. This area can pose some difficulty. In this video, I'm going to take you guys through, show you guys how I've done it. I've done a couple of these in the past and they work really well. Patterns are really good, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I got the bumper sprayed down with slip solution. Just gonna take my squeegee right now, make a dry spot, and I'm gonna take and pull the film back. And get that stuck down there. Now I'm just going to slowly back roll it on. Okay, now that I got the bumper back rolled, or the film back rolled onto the bumper, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and weed out the excess film over here. The reason I keep this weeded in is just simply that way when I'm back rolling the film onto the bumper, just makes my life a million times easier and not having to fight with each section. So I'm just going to take my slip solution now and start spraying some slip solution behind the adhesive. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to leave this down the way it is right there for now. With these bumpers, the way they're designed is they're designed to work from the inside out. So I'm going to go to the nearest sensor in the middle, which is going to be this one right over here. Just going to get some tack solution. Get some tack solution underneath there. Line that sensor up. There we go, that's down. Then I'm going to come over here to this sensor. Get some tack solution under the film. Tack down. Okay, there we go. That's good. Now that I got this sensor and this sensor down, I want to get this corner down over here. But as I pull on it, you can see over here, I probably should get more slip solution underneath the film. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna line this corner up here first. So got a little bit of tack right there. Got that lined up right where that needs to go. Now I can get this corner over here. Okay, there we go. Now what I'm doing is just getting the film to lay flat everywhere that I can. So that's good. And now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this corner down now. Might as well soak everything down again. Some tack solution right here. Get that corner down, lined up. I'm just using the pressure of my hand to temporarily tack that down. There we go. That's worked good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this down just a little bit. So now that I'm kind of getting everything down into place, this over here on the sensor needs to be readjusted. You can see how the film is starting to bunch up here. So what I'm going to do is just pull it back, get slip solution underneath it, kind of lay that all flat. Now that actually lines up absolutely perfect. Wow. Deadly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tack solution in over here. Just with my thumb, I'm going to start to work that film down into place. Okay, that's good. Now that I got the majority of my reference points down on this side, what I'm going to start doing is actually getting them tacked down. So what I'm going to do is just push all this air out here. Okay, so I've got this area down. What I'm going to do now is work this body line right over here. Just going to angle my squeegee now. Now I got this built up film over here. These 4 fingers, they're popping up. If I hit them down like that, those fingers are just going to keep popping up. So I'm just going to mold them down at an angle. Just like that. Fingers? What fingers? Okay, that's good. Let that down. Okay. Get this area down over here. Drop the squeegee on the floor. Always clean it off before starting to reuse it. So I'm just going to work this body line downwards now. Go. Put that down. That's good. I'm just going to get this corner down. Some tack solution underneath here. Just going to take my finger, Get that corner down, just like that. So now we're going to start moving on to this piece. That's kind of separate from the bumper, from the rest of the bumper, I should say. So, just going to get more slip on there. Slip solution is your friend. Now I'm just going to get this area around the side lamp marker down. Go. Okay, perfect. I'll get this corner up here lined up. Get that edge down. Now, just a little bit of stretch to get this into place. Hold that there with my hand just to get it down. That's working really good. Everything squeegeed out now from underneath the film. You always want to make sure squeegee strokes are overlapping. This area over here, you can tell I need to pull it back and readjust it. This is how the film is building up. So now I can just naturally let that sit down right where it needs to go. You don't want to do what I just did. That's we'll leave that in. Don't edit that out. Luckily I didn't have a ton of pressure on there. I don't think I will have left a mark in the film.
That was just a quick swipe, right? So it wasn't like you bunched it up or anything.
Yeah. Okay.
There's no mark.
Perfect. Tony, the guy doing my videos, he's also a vinyl wrapper and paint protection film installer, and he does good work. He knows his stuff too. There we go. Actually, I got a bit of contamination right over there. So, perfect. Just pop that out just with my finger. Right down. Okay, that's good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work this ledge on the top there. Get that down. Just like so. Now get this down over here and pull the film back. Make sure all my solution is going to be pushed out. Now this area over here, the film wants to build up, so it's going to be very important that I hit that at an angle. So I'm just going to get more tack solution in there. Pull the film back a little bit with my fingers, and I'm just going to saw it down. Don't want those fingers popping up. There we go. Okay, now just with my finger, I'm gonna get this lip wrap. flush that little bit of an overlap out. Some of this may just have to dry. Might just have to dry naturally to get that to sit down, but should be able to get it wrapped just with the finger. Okay, now this little bit over here before we move over to the other side. Same thing, got fingers over here. These fingers, you just pull them back with your hand. And you just feather them down at an angle. You spread all that tension out. Now I have fingers, they're a lot less now, but you can notice that they've been spread out more. So I'm just going to continue doing what I was doing, feathering them down at an angle, spreading out all that extra film. Just like so. There we go. Okay, that's perfect. Those are down. I'm gonna give those some heat when I do my post heating, but we're not gonna have any issues there. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll move on to the other side. Okay, that's going to do it for this video today. That's how you install bumper paint protection film on a 2022 Chevy Suburban. Yeah, they're not the easiest bumper in the world, but they're not bad. They're not bad once you get the film on and you know where to stretch and where to tack down. So thanks a lot for checking out this video. Stay tuned for more. I'd say from the next month or so, we got some really big news that we want to drop. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.